Hi, everybody. Coming up next on the First Report, Armenia declares its independence, and a Cleveland man is showing politicians there how to stump for votes. You can buy peace of mind when it comes to radiation leaks from your microwave, but is it worth it?
President Bush tells the UN to keep up the heat on Saddam Hussein. Some ingenious kids figure out how to make mulch out of your old newspapers. And some incredible kids. They're incredible twins. They are tearing them up on wheels. We'll tell you all about that when we come back. Stay tuned.